Welcome to the Best Money Hacks channel. Today we have something truly exciting for you. Get ready to unlock financial prosperity with Best Money Hacks. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Hack number 1: always have an online passive income stream, where you only need to set things up once. This can be a website/blog, YouTube channel, any other social media, and affiliate platforms. YouTube channels and blogs or affiliate webshops take a little time to set up, but after it is set you would only need to manage it about 4 hours a week from your phone. You can also join a good affiliate platform without needing to sell products or not even needing a website. These are hard to find, but once you have one it can earn you a big passive income. One of the best platforms that is actually earning me money is Rivirall Finance, but there are more out there. Just make sure they are paying out and is not a scam. You can simply create your partner account on these platforms and start earning right away. Hack number 2. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, which offer the potential for long-term growth and generate passive income through dividends or interest payments. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and maximize returns. Remember, investing in assets requires patience and a long-term perspective, but it can be a powerful strategy for building wealth over time. Begin your journey by investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. Research and stay updated on market trends and potential opportunities. Start with a small investment and gradually increase your holdings as you gain confidence and understanding. However, be aware that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, so always do thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before diving in. Consider buying real estate or a house and renting it out. Real estate has the potential for appreciation over time while providing a consistent rental income stream. Research the local housing market, identify areas with high demand, and carefully analyze the potential rental yield. Don't forget to factor in expenses such as property management fees, maintenance costs, and insurance. Owning rental property can be a valuable long-term investment and a pathway to financial success. Hack number 3: monetize your knowledge by offering it as a service or creating digital products. Start by identifying your target audience and their pain points. Develop online courses, ebooks, or consulting services that provide valuable solutions. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche and leverage platforms like social media, websites, and online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. There you have it, a powerful combination of hacks to transform your financial journey. From passive income streams to investing wisely, these strategies are your keys to success. Take action, implement these hacks, and watch your financial landscape transform. Remember to subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video by Best Money Hacks.